Tell whether each pair of ratios form a proportion. Right? Yes or no? So, titingnan natin kung proportion itong pair of ratios na ito. So, ano yung gagawin natin? We multiply the extremes and the mean. So, what are the extremes? The extremes are the numbers outside. So, ito yung extreme. So, and then, multiply din natin yung means, yung nasa loob. So, 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. 1 times 4, 4. 2 times 2, 4. So, there are the same number or the same product. Therefore, 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 4 is proportion.